3 ways to make money on YouTube when you're just starting out or only have a small channel. You've probably heard of or even seen these famous YouTubers who are making a living from posting YouTube videos. And you go to their channel and you see that they've got thousands or hundreds and thousands of, or even millions of subscribers. And it makes you think, in order to make money from YouTube, I'm going to need a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. But what I'm learning is that this just isn't true. Now, obviously having millions of subscribers is going to open up multiple different avenues for you to make money on YouTube. But the truth is that there are several other ways that you can start making money on YouTube that really don't require you to have as many subscribers or as many views as you might think. So in this video, I want to introduce you to 3 ways or 3 strategies you can start using to make decent money on YouTube, even if you have a really small channel or even if you're just getting started. Now, this strategy is for those of you who want the quickest route to making money on YouTube. You don't want to be, spending a year of your life trying to get to that, million subscribers or that million views before you're making any money. Now, I'm going to start with my favorite strategy for making money on YouTube. And the reason it's my favorite strategy is because anyone can do it. You don't need to have an established business or products or services to sell. And even if that is something that you do want to do, this strategy is actually going to give you the experience and the skills so that when you are ready to start selling your own products and services, you're really going to be able to master it and really kill it. So the first strategy I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially the process of gaining a commission by promoting or selling other businesses' products or services. So essentially, you find products and services that you like, that you relate to and that you believe in, and then you're just recommending these products to other people who need these products in order to overcome different problems or challenges that they're facing within any area of their life. So with this strategy, there are little to no startup costs or operational costs. There's no time or energy spent in the creation process trying to put together products or services to sell. Literally, all you have to do is start recommending products or services that have already proven themselves within the marketplace to people who need them. You're serving people. Now, there are many different platforms you can use to really, make money with affiliate marketing. But in the case of YouTube, essentially what you're doing is you're creating information or valuable content around the product or service that you're promoting. And then within your video and within your video description, you're directing people or linking people back to that product or service. So to give you an idea, the different content or value that you might provide within your videos might be just general information that's associated with the product or service that you're selling. It might be product or service reviews, or it could also be tutorials on how to use different products. People are always searching for information on YouTube, and if you're able to point them in the right direction while also providing them with value in that process, then you're going to be rewarded. Now, there are many different strategies and different things that you really need to know in order to make affiliate marketing work. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing and want to know how to get started and how to really make it work, then I recommend you check out my playlist, Affiliate Marketing. Now, the next strategy number 2, is for those people who already have an existing business or some form of product or service that they can offer people. And what you're going to do here is you're actually going to use YouTube as a lead generation tool. Now, the leads that you get from YouTube are what you call warm leads. YouTube is a search engine, so people are actually going into YouTube and searching for specific content, specific information that they want to learn in order to solve a problem or overcome a challenge in their life, or simply just information that they're interested in. So the people that land on your YouTube video are people who are already interested in the different content that you're providing, which means that they're going to be likely interested in the product or service that you're promoting if it's also going to help them get that step closer to overcoming a challenge, or giving them the information that they need to achieve their goals. People are constantly searching for the answers to the different problems or challenges that they're facing in any area of their life. And the great thing about YouTube is it's giving you the opportunity to get in front of your audience, provide them with value, and really gain credibility. By posting videos on YouTube, you're giving your target audience the opportunity to, get to know, like, and trust you. They get to see you on camera. They get to hear your voice. They get to hear the conviction in your voice about how passionate and inspired you are about helping them solve their problems through your products and services. And by doing that, like I said, you're giving them that chance to get to know, like, and trust you, so that when you do offer them products and services, they're going to be much more likely to, feel comfortable buying from you. So if you do want to start using YouTube as a lead generation tool, then I recommend you go and watch my video, How to Rank on YouTube, Get Your Video on the First Page, because this is going to help you get your videos and your message to the people that you want it to be getting to. Alright, so let's move on to the third and final strategy. This strategy is very similar to the one that we've just spoken about, but let's just say that you don't currently have a business and you don't have a product or service to sell, but what you do have is a passion. You've got valuable knowledge that you'd like to share with other people and teach to other people. So what you could do here is you could create your own digital products, so online courses or ebooks. And again, you're just using YouTube as a lead generation tool, providing valuable content related to the courses or the ebooks that you're selling, and then directing people to those products. Again, through YouTube videos, you're giving your target audience a really good opportunity to get to know, like, and trust you. You're giving them insights into who you are, what you stand for, and exactly how your digital products can help them solve different challenges or problems that they're currently facing in their life. And because of that, they're going to be much more likely to purchase from you. So if you do have a passion or a body of knowledge that you'd like to share with people, but you're not quite sure how to package it up and put it into an online course, then in the description below there's a link to a 100% free webinar where you're going to learn a simple system for creating your very first online course. Now, this webinar is actually run by Liz Benny, who has made millions of dollars selling her online courses. Alright, so there you have it. 3 very effective strategies for making money on YouTube, even if you have a small channel or even if you're just getting started out. So tell me in the comments below which strategy appeals to you. Also, if you've gotten value from this video, then I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Until then, thanks so much for watching.